Let's test Andrei's G-Ads Copywriter GPT. There we go. Hello. How do it works? Philip, you cannot find these already customized GPTs because the OpenAI GPT store is not launched yet. So people are curating these lists. And if you search for, on Google, like custom GPTs, and there is this Twitter thread from Rowan Chong that I put his name in the chat a little bit above. And then there you can find some more curated versions. We are also looking to have our own curated lists somewhere in the community. Dan, please remind me about, we need to talk to you to figure out how to structure the custom GPTs in like some kind of library or something. I'm G-Ads copywriter specializing in crafting targeted Google Ads copy. Here's how I work. Research and understanding. Okay, let's see. Write me a Google ad for our Promptmaster lifetime access free 7-day trial. Ooh, you put in a character count. Nice, I like that. Thank you, Gary. So 100 files at less than 100 megabytes per file. That's good to know. Oh, you're just repeating what I said. Oh, I thought you were confirming what I said. So I'm not exactly sure on that. I haven't reached the limit yet because I only uploaded like a few files. So I didn't really bother with that. I mean, if you reach like the number file limit, you can just put all of the files into like one, huge PDF and then give it to that. And text only PDF is, you're going to need to put in a lot of work to make your PDF files 100 megabytes if it's just text. What happens here is they're using OpenAI's embedding and creating a similar vector database to what you have with Keymate's personal knowledge base. It's just a different architecture, but the concept is the same. Andrei, tell me, are these good Google ads? Like, would you start running advertisements on this? Because this is how a user would do it. Well, let's audit it, Daniel. What I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this, put it in this tokenizer. And let's see, it's 176, so it's not accurate. It says 154. Yeah, so Andrei, what you need to do here, what I could do now is write me code that can count the character numbers in each description and run it. And if you have turned on code interpreter, this is going to do it. Yeah. So what it says is it defines the descriptions in description 1 and 2, and then it just runs the description length. So now this is how you can do it. And again, the character count now is good. So what you can do here is, and I tried uploading Python code into the knowledge base for it to run the entire Python code, but it just gave me like timeout errors throughout the whole system. So it kind of broke it. But basically you can ask it as an extra instruction, like at the end of writing your response, make like run code interpreter and count the length of the descriptions or whatever you need to count, and like tell it in the instructions to write the code and then run it for you. So you could put this in the steps. So step 1, write or do your research. Step 2, write the copy. Step 3, edit the copy with like like supervise the copy as a coach. And then step 4 would be to run the numbers and check this. Just be careful not to write like super long prompts with like a lot of different steps, because it seems like these models are pretty good at understanding the first part of the prompt and the last part, but sometimes they forget things from the beginning, especially if that is like really strict in instructions on how the model should behave. Let's move on to extending our GPTs with personal knowledge bases. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go to the Promptmaster community. I'm going to go to one of the workshops. I'm going to download the oh, this is nice notification. I'm going to go to workshops. I'm going to go to one of the past events. And I remember I had 1, 2, and I think 3 uploaded. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into this event. There's the recording. and I'm just gonna download this transcript. I mean, if you can also download this, then you can obviously create your own bots with our IP. Personally, I don't really care because we just want to teach you everything. So feel free to do whatever you want with this knowledge. Just don't resell the entire, like the same thing one-on-one. Otherwise you can just do whatever you want. So what I have now is it downloaded this captions .vdt file. What it did is now it just downloaded the file. So what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna let go of Andrei's bot right now.